Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ProBook 4554 4 generations. Okay, so open any browsers to Google search box to type like that and go to this official website of HP support.hp.com. Right click to new tab. Choose operating system Windows 10, 11, 10 and like that. If you are using Windows 11, so you can download the driver of Windows 10 and then install in Windows 11 operating system, so you can see easily install it, no worry about any driver. So guys, I suggest to install the basic driver like audio, keyboard, network. Okay, this is required basic driver. So first audio, check this. This is two type of, you can download one by one, otherwise you can select like that. Okay, it will show which selected file on here and then you can download selected file easily. Okay, then keyboard, download camera and mouse, then network. This is Wi-Fi driver, select this is LAN driver. Okay, and this is Bluetooth driver. Okay, so you can see in here, so all selected driver hitting showing here, so you just click to download selected file. Okay, you selected file, I show you like this. Okay, it will show automatically here. Okay, it will start. Okay, it is completed, and then click to yes, and then next I accept, then next. This is installations folder, so if you want to change, so click to change and select that folder which is you required. Then next, this is installed by the CMD. Okay, and same you want to go to back on installation process, just click to download more driver. Okay, so thank you so much. If you are facing some issues after you install the all driver, then restart your system and then check it. And if you are facing some issues when you installing and downloading, just comment me, I will as soon as possible revert you.